पैलेंटोलॉजी या वो स्टडी ऑफ फॉसिल्स, डेड रिमेन्स एटसेट्रा को कहते हैं। द फाउंडर ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ एक्वायर्ड कैरेक्टर थ्योरी वॉज डार्विन, लैमार्क, वेस्टमैन, नन ऑफ दिस। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डार्विन, क्योंकि जो इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ एक्वायर्ड कैरेक्टर थ्योरी है वो डार्विन ने प्रपोज की थी। फॉर एवोल्यूशनरी सक्सेस म्यूटेशंस मोस्टली अकर इन germ cell DNA, somatic RNA, somatic DNA, none. Correct option is germ cell DNA. अब हमारे पास germ cell और somatic cell में डिफरेंस क्या है? जो हमारे पास germ cell है वो मियोसिस और माइटोसिस दोनों तरीक़ों से डिवीजन करते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे पास somatic cells हैं वो सिर्फ माइटोसिस के थ्रू डिवीजन करते हैं। और इसके अलावा जो germ cells हैं वो गैमीट्स भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जबकि somatic cells गैमीट्स प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते। Modern era scientists agree that life on Earth came into being by space, creation, evolution, none of these. Correct option is evolution. Evolution है क्या? Evolution basically एक gradual change है characteristics of organisms में, जो कि develop करता है through ages. तो evolution क्या है? Evolution is the gradual change in characteristics over ages. Darwin wrote Notebook on Origin of Species, Principle of Population, both A and B, none of these. Correct option is both A and B, because Darwin wrote both. The initial theory that environment can bring about changes in individuals was proposed by Mental, Lamarck, Darwin, none of these. Correct option is Lamarck. The one who believed in theory of spatial creation is Linnaeus. Linnaeus was the one who believed in theory of spatial creation. Products of gene are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, none of these. Correct option is proteins, because genes consist of DNA and proteins. Which of the following is not vestigial organ in human body? इनमें से कौन सा वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन नहीं है? वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन क्या होते हैं? वो ऑर्गन्स जो कि हमारे एंसेस्टर्स मतलब हमारे आबाओ अजदाद में थे, लेकिन फिर एवोल्यूशन हुई और अब के मतलब ऑर्गेनिजम्स में, स्पीशीज़ में वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स नहीं हैं, वो इवॉल्व हो गए हैं। तो ऐसा कौन सा ऑर्गन है? सैक्रम, ईयर मसल, विजडम टीथ, नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सैक्रम, क्योंकि सैक्रम अभी भी है। ये ऐसा ऑर्गन नहीं है जो सिर्फ हमारे आबाओ अजदाद में था। In different species, analogous organs evolve to adapt. Same nutrition, different habitat, different ecosystem, same habitat. Correct option is same habitat. Which of the following has studied the order in the diversity of life? Malthus, Lyell, Cuvier, Linnaeus. Correct option is Linnaeus. Theory of modern synthesis was given by E.Mayr, Waillace, Cuvier, none of these. Correct option is Cuvier. Biogeography is the geographical distribution of species, phylum, classes, genera. Correct option is species. During early development, the larvae of frogs have fins, lungs, gills, all of these. Correct option is gills. The breeding of domesticated plants and animals refers to wild selection, selection by chance, natural selection, artificial selection. Correct option is artificial selection. Essay on the principle of population was published by Darwin, Malthus, Lamarck, Linnaeus. Correct option is Malthus. Which type of struggle for existence is more challenging? Interspecific, intraspecific, famines, none of these. Correct option is intraspecific. इंट्रास्पेसिफिक क्या होता है? मतलब एक स्पीशीज़ के इंडिविजुअल्स के दरमियान जो हो। इंटरस्पेसिफिक वो होगा जो दो स्पीशीज़ के या दो पॉपुलेशंस के दरमियान हो जाए। इंट्रा मीन्स विद इन, जो विद इन है वो ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग है। The gill pouches of mammals and birds are homologous structures, degenerative structures, both, none of these. Correct option is homologous structures. Lamarck was associated with Natural History Museum of London, Washington, New York, Paris. Correct option is Paris. Armadillos, the armored mammals, live only in Africa, America, Asia, all of these. Correct option is America. The smallest biological unit that can evolve over time is population, species, organism, cell. Correct option is cell, because cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Through cell, tissues, organs and systems and individuals came into being. Among the birds, Darwin collected 13 types of finches, pterodactyls, robins, none. Correct option is finches. Lamarck published his theory of evolution in 1822, 1817, 1812, 1809. Correct option is 1809. Oldest known vertebrate fossils belongs to the class Reptilia, Pisces, Amphibia, none of these. Correct option is Pisces. Modern synthesis or Neo-Darwinism includes ideas from taxonomy, that is the study of classification or naming, biogeography, that is the study of geographical distribution of species, paleontology, that is the study of fossils, etc., and population genetics, that deals with the genetics. And modern synthesis includes ideas from all of these. Change in frequency of alleles at a locus that occurs by chance is called genetic equilibrium, genetic selection, genetic drift, all of these. Correct option is genetic drift. The oldest known fossils are diploid, prokaryotes, bacteria, all of these. Correct option is prokaryotes. The succession of fossil forms is a strong evidence in favor of biogeography, natural selection, evolution, none. Correct option is evolution. Darwin published The Origin of Species in 1858, 1840, 1859, none of these. Correct option is 1859. Most fossils are found in igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, both A and B, modern rocks. Correct option is sedimentary rocks. And what are sedimentary rocks? These are the type of rocks that are formed by accumulation or deposition of minerals or organic particles at Earth's surface, followed by cementation.